Everything you want to know about ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a language model developed by OpenAI. It uses the transformer architecture and is trained on a massive amount of text data to generate human-like responses to questions and prompts. ChatGPT is capable of handling a wide range of tasks such as text generation, language translation, question answering, and more. It can generate coherent and meaningful responses, while also demonstrating some knowledge and understanding of the context in which it was trained. The model's training data is current as of 2021, so its knowledge is up to date as of that year. What can you do with ChatGPT? ChatGPT can perform a variety of language-related tasks, including text generation. ChatGPT can generate new text based on a given prompt, such as generating a story, poem, or article. Question answering. ChatGPT can answer questions by extracting relevant information from its training data and returning a concise answer. Conversational AI. ChatGPT can engage in a two-way conversation with users, generating responses to their questions and statements. Language translation. ChatGPT can translate text from one language to another, although this is not its primary strength and other models may be better suited for this task. Text summarization. ChatGPT can summarize long text by extracting the most important information and condensing it into a shorter form. Text classification. ChatGPT can classify text into different categories, such as sentiment analysis or topic classification. These are some of the common tasks that ChatGPT can perform. However, the specific capabilities of ChatGPT may vary depending on how it was fine-tuned and the specific use case it was designed for. When was ChatGPT created? ChatGPT was created by OpenAI, a research organization focused on developing and promoting friendly AI. The exact date of its creation is not publicly available, but it was released in 2020 as part of OpenAI's GPT series of language models. The original GPT, Generative Pre-trained Transformer, was introduced in 2018, and since then, OpenAI has released several variations, including ChatGPT, with each iteration improving upon the previous version. How to make money with ChatGPT. There are several ways to make money with ChatGPT, including building chatbots. ChatGPT can be used to build conversational AI chatbots for businesses, which can automate customer service, sales, and other tasks. Offering language services. ChatGPT can be used to offer language services such as text generation, translation, and summarization to clients. Developing and selling language models. ChatGPT can be fine-tuned for specific industries or domains and sold to businesses or organizations looking for a language model for their specific needs. Creating content. ChatGPT can be used to generate unique and creative content, such as articles, stories, or poems, which can then be sold or licensed to others. Providing research and analysis. ChatGPT can be used to conduct research and analysis on large amounts of text data, such as sentiment analysis or topic modeling, which can then be sold to businesses or organizations. These are some of the ways ChatGPT can be used to generate revenue. It's important to note that, like any technology, the success of a business using ChatGPT will depend on various factors such as the quality of the product or service offered, market demand, and the level of competition. What you can learn with ChatGPT. With ChatGPT, you can learn about a variety of topics related to language processing and artificial intelligence, including natural language processing, NLP. ChatGPT provides a practical demonstration of NLP techniques such as text classification, question answering, and text generation. Transformer architecture. ChatGPT uses the transformer architecture, which is a widely used deep learning architecture for NLP tasks. By working with ChatGPT, you can gain a better understanding of how this architecture works. AI and machine learning. ChatGPT is a cutting-edge AI model that utilizes machine learning techniques such as unsupervised pre-training and fine-tuning. By working with ChatGPT, you can learn about the latest advances in AI and machine learning. Data pre-processing and cleaning. ChatGPT is trained on large amounts of text data, which must be pre-processed and cleaned before it can be used for training. By working with ChatGPT, you can learn about the importance of data preprocessing and cleaning for AI models. Deploying AI models, ChatGPT can be deployed as a standalone AI model or integrated into other applications and systems. By working with ChatGPT, you can learn about the process of deploying AI models and the various challenges that come with it. These are some of the topics that you can learn about by working with ChatGPT. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced AI practitioner, ChatGPT provides a valuable learning opportunity to deepen your understanding of AI and NLP. As a student, working with ChatGPT can provide several benefits, including enhancing skills in NLP and AI. ChatGPT provides hands-on experience with cutting-edge AI and NLP technologies, which can help students build valuable skills in these fields. Understanding real-world applications, ChatGPT is a model that is used in real-world applications, such as chatbots and content generation. By working with ChatGPT, students can get a better understanding of the practical applications of NLP and AI. Building projects, ChatGPT can be used as a building block for students to create their own NLP and AI projects. This can help students gain experience in developing and deploying AI models. Improving research skills, ChatGPT can be used for research in NLP and AI, such as exploring different fine-tuning strategies or analyzing model outputs. This can help students build research skills that can be applied to other projects. Preparing for future careers, with the growing demand for NLP and AI skills, working with ChatGPT can help prepare students for careers in these fields by providing them with practical experience and a deeper understanding of the technology. These are some of the benefits that students can derive from working with ChatGPT. Whether you are studying computer science, engineering, or a related field, ChatGPT can provide a valuable learning experience and help you build skills that can be applied in your future career. Advantages and disadvantages. Advantages of ChatGPT. High accuracy. ChatGPT is trained on a massive amount of text data, which has allowed it to achieve state-of-the-art accuracy on a variety of NLP tasks. Human-like responses. ChatGPT generates human-like responses, which can make it an ideal solution for conversational AI applications, such as chatbots. Versatile. ChatGPT can be used for a variety of NLP tasks, including text generation, question answering, and language translation. Fast deployment. ChatGPT is a pre-trained model, which means it can be deployed quickly and with minimal fine-tuning required. Robust. ChatGPT is trained on a diverse range of text data, which gives it a robust understanding of language and the ability to handle a wide range of inputs. Disadvantages of ChatGPT. Limited knowledge. Although ChatGPT is trained on a large amount of text data, it is still limited by the information contained in that data. It may not have knowledge of recent events or developments. Bias. ChatGPT is trained on text data from the internet, which can contain biases and misinformation. This can result in biased or inaccurate responses from the model. Resource intensive. ChatGPT is a large model that requires significant computational resources to run, which can make it challenging to deploy on resource-constrained systems. Lack of understanding. ChatGPT is capable of generating human-like responses, but it lacks true understanding of the meaning of the text. This can result in nonsensical or nonsensical responses when the model is given input it has not seen before. Ethical concerns. As with any AI technology, there are ethical concerns around the use of ChatGPT, such as the potential for it to be used for malicious purposes or to automate jobs previously done by humans. These are some of the advantages and disadvantages of ChatGPT. It is important to weigh these factors when deciding whether ChatGPT is the right solution for a particular use case.